Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I think I should unbox this parcel first, and then I will also get to know what this product is. But KZ keeps sending me the products and I don't know. So this is KZ Creo, and actually I was expecting it to be KZ Creo. So I think let's unbox it and then I will share my first impression with you guys and tell you what this product is. This is a very mini box, and actually I have the KZ Carol, but I haven't unboxed it yet. And this one, because I'm on a mission to unbox my products at very earliest and give you the first impressions and proper reviews as soon as possible. So let's see what it is. So these are some ear tips, and this is the guide. Wow, this guide is actually looking very perfect. The box is very small, just like always, and this is the product, KZ Creo. Wow. So I will test it and will give you my proper impressions of this product very fast. I think I will just test it 1 to 2 hours and then give you a proper review. But actually the product looks very fine to me for now, and I haven't tested any KZ earbuds till now, and this will be my first one. And they look very in-ear monitors like earbuds, and very different kind of. I think I have just heard that it has been turned on, if I'm not wrong. I think its price is $35, and I will be reviewing KZ product after a very long time. Actually KZ has sent me 5 to 6 products over the past 6 months, but I haven't been able to make any reviews of them, and KZ Creo is the first one which I will review for you guys. So I am very excited and I hope it is good. Welcome to my review section, friends. I have used KZ Creo for 3 to 4 days, and now I'll share my complete honest opinion with you guys. First of all, the look wise, these are very minimalistic designed earbuds. The case is a very lightweight also. As far as fit and comfort is concerned, it fits very well into my ears and is 100% comfortable also. So let's discuss its sound quality. If you test its sound for the first time, you won't like it. You have to continue listening to it, and then afterwards you will start liking it and will get attached to it. There is a proper amount of bass included in these earbuds, and the sub bass is also present, and it is best for vocals as you get very clear and sharp vocals depending on the video sound. If the sound of the video is balanced, you will get natural and balanced vocals. As far as the treble is concerned, it is fine and tolerable, but definitely feel a slight pinch. So if you listen to any sound, you will get good mids, good bass, but with a slight pinch of treble. But you won't get this pinch in every sound or music because it depends on the nature of audio you are playing. So overall, the sound quality can be called good if not impressive, and it has a proper amount of detail in it as well. You can definitely feel it, and it has a lot of codecs options available also, and the ANC works fine. As far as the microphone is concerned, I think it's average. So here ends my review, and this is the most important segment of my video, which is how I recommend my products. So you guys must listen to this. It's available on AliExpress, and its official price is $40, but you will make a huge mistake if you buy it in full price. So I will tell you the best way to buy this product, and I have provided a cheap buy link in the description of my video along with the discount codes. So you must use a discount code in order to get it more cheaper. At $40 price, I rate KZ Creo 3 stars. At $35 I give it 3.5 stars, and at 30 US dollar I give it 4 stars, and at 25 US dollar I give it 4.5 stars. So I really hope you guys must understand now how this ranking and my recommendation works. I just want the best for my viewers so that they never gets disappointed. And lastly, must remember the discount codes are valid for all the products on AliExpress in almost countries. So try your luck and enjoy.